In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft Teams. Sometimes Teams can get a little sluggish, or it might not show your latest messages, status updates, or team changes right away. When that happens, a quick refresh can solve a lot of minor issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to refresh Microsoft Teams using the Windows Desktop app. Let's start on your Windows desktop. Look down at the bottom right corner of your screen, in the System Tray area of the taskbar. This is where small icons for background apps usually appear, like your sound, Wi-Fi, and any apps running quietly in the background. The Teams icon should be there as well. It usually looks like a small purple logo. If you don't see the Teams icon right away, don't worry. You may need to click the small up arrow in the System Tray to show hidden icons. That arrow expands a panel with additional apps that are running but not visible all the time. Once you click it, look for the Teams icon in that expanded list. When you locate the Teams icon, move your mouse over it and right-click on it. Right-clicking will open a small menu with a few options for the app. In that menu, look for the option labeled Quit. Go ahead and click Quit. This completely closes the Teams desktop application, not just the window you see. It's an important step because it ensures that Teams fully shuts down and can start fresh again. After you've quit Teams, give it a moment to close in the background. Then, you're ready to relaunch it. To do that, click on your Start menu, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, and start typing Teams in the search bar. When the Microsoft Teams app appears in the results, click it to open. As Teams launches, it will reconnect to your account, reload your chats, teams, and channels, and pull in the latest information from the server. This process effectively refreshes the app and often resolves small glitches, missing messages, or slow performance. Whenever you notice Teams acting strangely, you can repeat this quick quit and relaunch process. It's a safe, simple way to give the app a clean restart without changing any of your settings or data.